Oh, my name is Navi. I'm from Canberra.
Madam Serema au Chukaviti.
And my name is Liz, and I'm from Canberra, and I'm here to support the Brumbies. But we actually flew from Australia just to come and watch this game.
Oh yeah!
Oh, we love Drua, but Brumbies coming over here, and I gotta support the Brumbies. Every time the Drua go over, we support Drua. So gotta be fair. Oh, because they're visitors, they're the team out of town. So when the Drua comes over to Canberra, we always support Drua. But Drua at heart, but it's rugby at the end of the day. It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. Hoping for the Brumbies to win, but I think Drua will just go past the finish line.
Well, of course, I'm supporting the Brumbies. I think it's going to be a tight game, especially because we've got a lot of new debutants on the team. But, the Drua are a great team to watch. That's why we're here. But we're also here to support the Brumbies. But, if the Brumbies win or lose, it's going to be a great game.
I'll support the both teams.
For me, for the Brumbies, it's no Lawless here. And Drua, they're all good players.
Yeah.
Mercy. Yeah.
And for myself, I'm looking forward to seeing Frank Lamani play. I always love watching him on TV, so it'd be good to see him live. But yeah.
Just come out and support Drua. Rugby's big in Fiji, so why not?
Yeah.
Come out and
come and enjoy a day out and watch the teams play, whoever they may be, and just support. And I think the Fijians have the best support of all the clubs, and it's going to be amazing to be a part of that. So if you get a chance to come and watch the games.
Vincent, I'm from Canberra, here to watch the Brumbies playing. It's going to be close, 1 or 2 points in it. Frank Lamani at halfback. Go Brumbies!